Call it your pod, your bubble, or your quarantine.
Yeah, some say forming a group to go through the next few months could be key to getting through the summer with your mental health intact. KPIX5's Kenny Choi explains the pandemic social bubble. Kenny?
Liz, working parents are calling this the double bubble. It's two families sheltering in place in their own homes, but now relaxing some of their restrictions together. For example, dropping off the kids at the other family's house while doing some grocery shopping. Medical experts say that there is a risk, of course, but parents are saying that this is one path that can work. No school, no playgrounds to visit, and no help for parents working full time.
It's going to be a challenge, just getting work done and living at home and making meals.
Wendy Liu runs a chocolate business while juggling duties as a mom of two young children.
If the families have both been sheltering in place and for the most part quarantining themselves as much as possible, it could be a good way to get some time, to free up some time for you to get work done.
In our sense, it's no different than if we all lived in the same home, because we started this together along the journey.
6 weeks into quarantine, Tanem Davis Bowen, who works as a consultant and full-time mom, also decided to double bubble.
Very early on, the conversations that we had with people that we were creating the circle around, who goes to the supermarket? What types of rules do you follow? Are you letting other people into your home?
Infectious disease specialist and professor of medicine, Dr. Peter Chin Hong, recognizes both the pros and cons.
If you introduce new people or you start introducing new people into that closed unit, then you don't know where those people have been, where they're going to after.
You've got to have some sort of balance that says, I'm taking safety for my people, which are my family, and I'm taking safety for my community, and I'm taking safety seriously.
It just made us not feel like we were alone.
I am trying my best as a parent to make the best informed decisions that I'm okay with.
And sociologists at Oxford say that these quarantine bubbles can work, saying that there must be a middle ground between all of us staying at home and all of us meeting the people we want in the ways we want to. In San Francisco, Kenny Choi, KPIX 5.
Well, this viewer shared with us how he feels about the double bubble. He writes, no different than taking kids back and forth between separated and divorced parents' houses. Been doing it the whole time during shelter in place. As long as houses are following the guidelines, I think it's fine.